Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you how to find and reset air filter schedule. To find and reset air filter service schedule, take a look at the instrument cluster and navigate through it via this panel on the steering wheel. Next, let's go to Settings, Maintenance, Air Filter, and here you can set air filter schedule. And then you can reset it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.